Hello everyone, this is Catherine and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to peel an egg the easy way, how I do it. I learned how to do this doing quail eggs, and if you've ever peeled a quail egg, oh Lord. But so these eggs, they come out of my hens, they're fresh eggs. And what I do, because usually you just do that and you start peeling away at it. But what I do is I just crack it and I keep cracking. I crack all the way around, and I think that one broke loose. And what you're doing is you're separating the egg from the shell and that little membrane in there. And it should just come off once I get. It helps if my fingers are wet. There we go. Come on, there it goes. It should just come peel off. It's not wet enough. Always make sure the egg is still kind of wet, but it should come off very like that. Just come off in sheets. Just come off in sheets. That is how I peel eggs, and it's perfect. Well, not 100% perfect, but you get the. But because usually you just take and crack it and you start peeling it and everything, and you start getting spots in it. But I've seen a lot of videos where people put salt and stuff like that in their water and boil it. I've never had any luck doing any of that. When I started doing quail eggs, I peeled them like that, and I was throwing away more eggs than keeping, so I'd come up with this, and it just comes off in sheets. I mean, every now and then you get one like little stuck like that, but the rest of it just comes off in sheets. And I just make sure my fingers are wet when I do it. And that just helps with it. But that is how I peel eggs very easily. And it works, as you've seen, about 99.9% of the time. So, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. But as for me, I'm out of here. And see you guys later. Bye.